Hey guys, so let's cover linking GA4 to Google Ads. All right, so here's the home page. We'll head over to admin. Since we want to link the property, we'll have a look at the property column and scroll down. Look at Google Ads links under product links. Click that. Click on the blue link button. Link to Google Ads accounts I manage. That's what that says here. And then we'll click on choose Google accounts. Okay, very good. So here's a list of Google accounts that have the same email address that this GA4 account has. I'm going to add this one here for the purpose of this demo. I'm going to click confirm, click next, next, make sure auto tagging is on, enable personalized advertising, and allow access to analytics features from within Google Ads. Submit. Link created. Okay, very good. X out of here. As you can see, everything is good to go now. Let's click in here and make sure we have all the access that we need. Roles and restrictions. I'm going to make this an administrator role just so I don't get any hiccups when I try and import conversions and things like that. I don't think it's necessary for conversions, but I'm going to give it full control of the property. Save. Okay, very good. Let's save. Now it's linked. Okay, we can head back over to Google Ads here. Here it is. Let's go to that account. And if we look at linked accounts, we should be able to see GA4 right here. Manage and link. Click that. Then you want to click on Activate under Google Analytics 4. This is one we just did. Okay, perfecto. The link is complete. Thanks very much, guys.